Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you today a very simple new baby card, a congratulations card which you can give to a new parent. And as you can see, I've got most of the elements ready, but first I want to show you what I'm going to use exactly. So I'm using this set of baby shoes. It's a set which is by Craft and New Designs. It's a Polish brand, but I will try to link all the products below the video so you can check it out. If they are available in the UK, I'm going to link them to UK websites. I will double check if they are available or not, but I think this one will be available. So it's a baby shoe. As you can see, it comes with 3 different dies, and let me show you. That's the base. Then you put this layer. You can make boys or girls shoes depending on colors, and that what you put on the top, you can lace it, use some string and do the laces if you want, or you can leave it as it is. So it's all up to you. So that's the cutting die. And then for the papers, I'm using this To the Moon and Back. It's a collection by Altery Art. I've been on a design team with this brand for many years, and I do still have a lot of papers from them. So To the Moon and Back, it's beautiful light blue, different elements for fussy cutting, different design papers. I like this collection and I used it many times before. So as you can see, lots of beautiful papers. So I prepared some of the things already, and I'm using those sleeves. These are from Lady E Design. I'm going to link them. These are really nice because it's a cutting die. I put it away already, so I will not be showing you the die itself, but this one is really pretty. It comes as a one die, and it cuts this beautiful branch of leaves, and as you can see those beautiful veins. And I die cut this one in this pearlescent card, which has a little hint of blue. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway. So those are the elements I'm going to use. I'm using a word congratulations in Polish because that's for a Polish couple, and some flowers already. So let me start to put this card together. Again, one more thing about my card base. My card base measures 14.5 centimeters by 14.5. It's a square card with my stamp at the back. I stamped it before switching on the camera, and I do cards this way in a 10th fold, because whenever I actually layer the card, I think it stands easily and it does not fall over. Because if you create it this way as a like a normal book opening card, standard fold, if you do a lot of more layers, I always feel that it will fall over. So this way it's, I think, to me personally, more secure, and I tend to do my cards this way. So let me put the first layer. I hope it's going to be okay because it was cloudy, but now I can see the sun is coming out, and because my desk is located just by the window, it might be a bit too bright, but let's see. I'm actually not going to complain about the sun because we had so many wet days. Let me just use my pokey tool. So I've actually added those foam tapes, the 3D foam tapes before, just to speed up this video. So let me just get up and make sure that everything is in a straight line. So I've got a card base, I've got first layer, and then I cut this those two with a cutting die. And this one will go flat, and my card, because it has so many layers and it's going to be more 3D, will end up in a box. It's a card which will go into a box. So I'm adding glue, and I'm going to first I need a string because I think I'm going to do the laces. Just let me grab that string. So I've got this cotton string. Let me see, let me just cut a little bit, and then I will do the first one on camera and then I will do the second one off camera because it might take a bit longer and I don't want to you don't want to see me putting both of them together, so you have to make sure that you put the string through the holes and create like a shoelaces. And I think it's a bit tricky to actually tie the shoe, so sorry if you will not be able to see everything properly, but have to make sure that it works well for me. I think the string was a bit short. It's better to cut a slightly longer string, so then you've got that enough string to maneuver everything. What I will do, I will tie that shoelace again once the shoe will be actually adhered, so it's going to be actually easy for me. So let me put this one on and then I will do the second one off camera. So you will see the first one, how I put it together. To make sure that you adhere it and press it so the glue will dry and then you can release, because I'm only putting the glue around in the edges because I want that boot, that shoe, to look as natural as possible. You see, I think I'm going to use a wooden peg to hold this one. So the first one is done. We've got a bit of glue coming out, but that's fine. I'm going to tidy it up. So this one will go here, and let me put this second one off camera. So my shoes are ready. What I did with the second one, I adhere it. I put the string through and then I tied the bow. I think it's really pretty and I love both of them. I also added 3D foam pads off camera so I can speed up with putting that card together. So let me take off the backing paper, add a little bit of glue to make sure that this card will last forever. So as you can see, it's really nice and dimensional card. I love creating those kind of cards, and I love that once you put it into a box, it will look and it could be displayed in that person's or that couple house for a very long time. And now I can add that congratulations in a Polish. So I'm thinking I need to snip it a little bit and I'm going to tuck it under. So let me snip that off. The sun is back. I'm going to put it this way. Let me see. I think I will cover that section with some flowers and a foliage leaves. So I'm adding again double-sided tape because I want that to be raised a little bit. So it should be on the same height as those shoes. And yes, and I can raise that. And I think I've got only to decorate the card with my flowers, which you can see on the side, and the leaves, and I think it will be really cute looking card. I'm going to do actually another version in pink just in case, because sometimes I do have some people asking me if I've got any of those cards ready, and I do not actually create lots of cards in advance, so I think I will do it this time. So okay, I'm adding that blue flower. I think I'm going to add it here, and then I will add the other three over here, and I think I like it the way it is. Let me just press down that rose because I want it to be a bit more flat. I think that should be fine. And now it's time to actually add those leaves, more flowers, and I always like to maneuver my leaves so they look more natural, and I think that's a lovely way to create a nice looking card as well. So I hope you like this project. Let me know, what do you think? Have you made any new baby cards with some baby boots, baby shoes? Let me know. Or maybe you can send me some links, what kind of project you created for baby cards, because I love looking at other people's projects, and it's nice because it's such a great inspiration as well. Should I put this one here? Yeah, I'm going to put this one here. So as you can see, I'm adding liquid glue to my leaves, but for speed, what I will do with flowers, I'm adding actually hot glue, so I can work fast, and you can see finished project very soon. Let me see if you can see everything on camera. I like that it's quite sunny, it's not very strong sun, and you can see everything nicely. I think one branch of those leaves will be enough. Let's see. I actually prepared a bit too many this time, but it's okay. I will save it for next project. Let me know if you want to see more this type of cards on my channel, because I usually do birthday cards and other projects, but maybe you like to see more of those. Let me see if this one will work. Maybe not, or maybe yes. Actually, let me add that leaves, but what I'm going to do, I will just tuck those leaves a bit more under, because I don't want to cover those shoes. And now the last flower. And I think I will add a few more leaves just over here. Maybe I will use those two which I have left. Still, after a while, you can still maneuver those leaves and see if you like it or not. More, you can add a bit more. You can add whatever you want. You can still add a little bit if you think that's not enough. That's what I do sometimes. Even when I finish a project, I sometimes feel like, okay, maybe I could add a bit extra, and I do that sometimes. Okay, I need to cut a bit more of that leaf. And I think a little bit more because I want that leaf to be just a tiny little bit visible, not too much. And because I've got that hot glue under that flower, I think that should be enough. What I did, I could actually add some glitter glue in those hearts over here, but I think I will leave it as it is. So let me know, what do you think about this card? It's really nice. I like that it's quite, maybe not simple, it has many layers, but it has that clean and simple look. That's what I wanted to say. And that's the box which I put together. I bought those boxes flat. They come flat, you have to put them together, and I got them on eBay. So if you want, can look up that link, and I can link it below the video as well. So yes, I like the way it looks. So that's how it looks in the box, and I'm going to put it like this so you can look at it a bit longer. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this simple, quick and simple tutorial for a new baby card. Thank you so much for watching, for all your comments and for your likes. You can find all the links to those products I use for this card below the video if you want to check it out. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.